Bright morning light fills the living room. From the sofa, two unimpressed Shih Tzus, Boston, the dignified one, and Riley, the tiny detective, watch with identical expressions of exhausted disbelief. Boston lets out a loud, dramatic sigh. Riley narrows his eyes like he's about to file a formal complaint. Boston says, "Really, Rio? Again?" Riley says, "That's the third sock this morning, and it's not even lunchtime." Rio freezes mid-prance, then wiggles his tail twice as fast and bolts down the hallway like a fuzzy rocket.